Oh, what are we shooting today?
Oh, today is a big one. We're covering Godrej Properties' brand new plotted development, which is one of their most awaited forest-themed project in Dodballapura, North Bangalore. Yes, Godrej and plots. That sounds interesting, right? Let's go check it out. So we're on our way to Dodballapura, and while we're getting there, let's talk about why this location is getting so much attention. So Dodballapura is developing fast, mainly because of its connectivity and infrastructure growth. You've got the railway station, Manipal Hospital and Foxcom just 25 minutes away, and the Kempegowda International Airport at around 40 minutes away from the city centre. So this stretch is becoming a premium plotted corridor because the government is heavily investing in the infrastructure and the roads. So this investment is also good for future living. And a lot of people think that it's very far, but honestly when you drive through these highways, it's super smooth, scenic and peaceful. And if you think of investing right now, you're catching the market right before it peaks. Welcome to Godrej's forest-themed plotted developments, a beautiful upcoming project spread across 48 acres of land parcel offering 550 premium plots. You get options from 1200 square feet to 2400 square feet, each designed in such a way to give you amazing forest and hill views. This project offers massive 11,000 square feet clubhouse, kids play zones, dedicated forest area, landscaped gardens, along with plenty of space for sports facilities. Everything here is designed in such a way that makes you feel like you're almost living amidst the forest. Private, peaceful and premium. Now let's talk about why you should invest here. First, location growth. Dodballapura is expanding rapidly with industrial and residential developments, meaning land value appreciation is inevitable. We're talking about Godrej Properties, one of India's most trusted names, known for timely delivery, strong decisions and transparency in every project. This isn't just an investment plot. With the kind of infrastructure and amenities coming up, it's also ideal for families looking to build their dream home away from the city noise but close enough to trust major hubs. We at Home Locator are here not just to buy you a property, but to find the right one for you. We research, verify and consult in order to get you the best options, pricing as well as complete support throughout the journey. Because for us, it's not just about helping you get a home, but helping you make a decision that you're proud for the next 20, 30 or even 40 years. We take care of the documentation, guide you through every step and stand still with you till you get your house keys, because your dream home is our responsibility too. So that was a quick walkthrough of the Godrej upcoming forest-themed plotted development in Dodballapura. If you want to know more about pricing, exclusive pre-launch offers, or even want to schedule a site visit, press the link in the description box below and our team will personally assist you. And for our NRI clients across the world, you can click on the same link in the description box below to get a complete virtual assistance. And for more such property updates and walkthrough videos, like, share and subscribe to Home Locator.